Today, I am reviewing the Nimo 17.3-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first lay eyes on the Nimo 17.3-inch laptop, the scale of the machine is what immediately grabs your attention. In an era where the market is flooded with 13 and 14-inch ultrabooks that feel cramped for real work, Nimo has gone in the opposite direction by providing a massive canvas for productivity. After putting this machine through its paces, it is clear that this isn't just a basic budget laptop with a big screen. It is a strategically designed powerhouse that targets the sweet spot between a professional workstation and a portable media center. The heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 7 735 HS processor. It is important to note that the HS designation here matters significantly. Unlike the U-series chips found in thinner laptops that prioritize battery life over raw power, the HS series is built for sustained performance. With 8 cores and 16 threads boosting up to 4.75 GHz, the responsiveness is instantaneous. Whether I was compiling code, running complex financial models, or managing 30+ browser tabs while a video call was active in the background, the Nimo never felt like it was struggling. It stays snappy and fluid under pressure, which is exactly what you want when you are on a tight deadline. The integrated Radeon 680M graphics deserve a special mention. For a long time, integrated graphics were considered a joke for anything beyond basic video playback, but that has changed. The 680M is based on the RDNA 2 architecture, and it is remarkably capable. I was able to play mainstream titles like League of Legends and Valorant at very respectable frame rates without having to drop the settings to absolute minimums. It also handles high-definition video editing and photo processing with a level of smoothness that genuinely surprised me. It makes this laptop a great choice for the professional who needs a work machine during the day but wants to unwind with some light gaming or creative hobbies in the evening. The 17.3-inch display is the star of the show. If you are an accountant, a data analyst, or anyone who spends their day looking at massive spreadsheets, you know the frustration of limited vertical and horizontal space. The FHD anti-glare panel on this Nimo allows you to view documents side by side without constantly squinting or scrolling. Despite this large footprint, the laptop manages to stay surprisingly portable. At just 4.6 pounds and 18.8 millimeters thin, it fits into a standard large backpack much easier than the bulky gaming laptops of the past. One of my favorite modern features included here is the 100-watt power delivery fast charging via the USB-C port. The era of carrying around a giant, proprietary power brick is finally coming to an end. Being able to use a single high-speed compact charger for your phone, your earbuds, and your laptop is a massive quality of life improvement, especially for business travelers. You can top up the battery incredibly quickly, which is essential when you only have a few minutes between meetings or flights. Security and privacy have clearly been prioritized as well. The fingerprint reader is integrated perfectly with Windows Hello for instant logins, and the inclusion of a physical privacy shutter on the 2-megapixel HD webcam is a touch I wish every manufacturer would adopt. In the world of remote work, knowing for a fact that your camera is blocked when you aren't in a meeting provides a level of mental peace that software toggles just can't match. The keyboard is another highlight. Since this is a larger chassis, Nimo is able to fit a full-sized backlit keyboard including a dedicated numeric pad. For anyone doing data entry or financial reporting, that number pad is non-negotiable. The keys have a satisfying tactile click with enough travel to prevent fatigue during long typing sessions. Underneath the hood, the choice to use PCIe 4.0 storage and DDR5 RAM shows that Nimo isn't cutting corners on the components that affect daily speed. The boot times are nearly instant, and the dual M.2 slots mean that if you ever run out of the initial 256 GB of space, you can easily add more storage yourself without replacing the entire drive. Finally, the built-in SD card reader and HDMI 2.1 port make this a versatile hub for creators. Photographers can pull their footage directly from the card without looking for a dongle, and you can easily push a 4K signal to an external monitor for a professional studio setup. When you combine all of this with the peace of mind offered by a 2-year warranty and a 90-day risk-free trial, it becomes very hard to find a better value in the 17-inch category. The Nimo 17.3-inch laptop is a reliable, high-performance machine that feels like it was built for the way we actually work and live in 2026. It is big, it is fast, and it is built to last.